Hello guys, so today I'm gonna show you how to do the reverse search in tactical arbitrage. So earlier we did the product search, so now I'm gonna show you the reverse search. So this is the workflow. Let's go back to the Google Docs. Let's just click on the header reverse product search. So this is the workflow here. We got here the particulars, we have here the images, so that it will be easy for us to locate where these buttons are found. Okay, so like I said, I'm not gonna explain this one by one or each one of this on the Google Docs. I'm just we need to do this as fast as we can. I'm just gonna show you everything on tactile arbitrage, and you'll be the one to see or read this the particulars here in every options. Okay, let's go to TA, go to reverse search, click reverse search underneath reverse search. Okay, so enable feed the screen. So it's just like the product search. We need to enable title images matches, disable duplicate checker, and delete all the versions of if duplicate exists, and disable the cache only search, and then the set cache to 5 days, just like the product search. Okay, so here the same option, but there will be differences on the UI between the product search and the reverse search. So we have a lot of options here. We have a keyword search, seller product search, just like the wholesale search. We have here a seller products search wherein we can um, set the seller ID or paste the seller ID here, and then it will scan the seller's products. So we're not gonna tackle that one for now because that is, I think, used for the wholesale search. But we can use that option here as well on the reverse search. Okay, just like the product search, we have here the filters, save filters. Name the search before clicking search. Okay, so that it'll be easier for us to um, locate the scan that we did. Okay, so in this area there are three options: the scan best sellers, scan most wished, scan movers and shakers. So I usually choose scan best sellers, and then choose the category that you want to scan. uh, the last scan that I did is in pet supplies. You can also choose what page to start from the best sellers. Okay, some will say let's start from page 5000, or let's start from page 1000 or 500, like that. You can do that as well. Okay, if you think that the first page, second page, third page, and so on before 500 is very hard for us to compete, because these bestsellers usually have many resellers as well. So you can do that as well if you want to make the scan faster. It'll help the scan to be faster as well, so you can do that. But I don't usually do this. I just put here one. Okay, and the domains, you can create a new list. Okay, create a new list, and then this is the list that I've created, and some domains or some sellers here or suppliers were unchecked. Okay, for this one I've deselected the gardeners, and I think also Walmart. Oh, oh, I did not. Yes, I've deselected Walmart. Okay, if you have suppliers you don't want to source from, like if you don't want Walmart, if you don't want eBay, let me check eBay. Yes, I deselected eBay, so I did not include eBay here because most of most of the time eBay there's a problem with Usually in eBay, these are third-party sellers. So if we source from these sellers, there's going to be problems with the fulfillment. Okay, so we usually don't want to source from those type of suppliers. Okay, so three sellers that I've deselected: Walmart, eBay, and the other one. Okay, so I've selected the category, scan bestsellers. So let's go back to the filter. So the same with the product search, the same. Uh, I mean the source price adjustment is different, but I usually just put it this way as per set discounts. So I usually don't edit or change these options here. And then the remove, the same with what I did in the product search. Remove third-party sellers from results. Okay. We don't want the bestseller rank. We don't want to touch this because we are basing from the sales. Okay, so we don't want to touch this as well. We don't want to remove Amazon if the biobox is at least, and remove Amazon remove if Amazon has been in stock for 80% most of the time. Moreover, over the last 90 days. So the same, basically the same filter with what we did in the product search. It's just that this is a reverse search and we're basing from the bestsellers, Amazon's bestsellers. Okay, so that's remove. Source styles, we don't need to do that. Cost fees is by default. Profit ROI, the same with what we did in the product search. And also here, we choose the buy box. And the ROI is 10% as well. Other filters, so this is quite different. They don't have here the other options below. So the same, out of stock results from Amazon, we need to show them. We still need to compete with those items. And also show category unknown results. We need to see those items as well. And then save the filter just like what we did with the product search. Save the filter, and after that you need to select again the filter that you have just saved. Say for example, this is the filter that you did, and then name your filter, name your search, I mean. Okay, name your search. So say for example, this is Amazon best sellers, pets, pet supplies, like that. You can just put here pet. Okay, so after that, click search, and you will have to wait for hours because this product search is, I guess, bestsellers, scan bestsellers. Okay, 100,000 ASIN. 100,000 ASIN. If you are starting from the root category, just like what I did, I chose pet supplies, so it will scan up to 100,000 ASIN. So that's a lot. So that will scan longer compared to the product search, which is we're just basing from one category or one page. So there will be more results in the scan bestsellers. Okay, let's go back to TA. I think that's it. That's the process. Basically, the filter options is the same with the product search, and the other options here the same. The only difference is it's a reverse search. The software is basing first from Amazon, and then looking matches or finding matches to different suppliers. Okay, so usually or more often than not, I'm using this option because I think this is the easiest way to do the reverse search. Although it will be difficult because we will be dealing with different suppliers, different UIs, different like the shipping fee, or how the page works. Like I said, different UI, so it will be difficult in that way or in that sense. But the the results will be there will be more results, and there will be more potential items that you can possibly list by using this option. Okay, so that is the reverse search. Okay, so after this, I'm going to explain to you the process on how to do the product sourcing, FBA product sourcing after this, and let's talk about the criteria on the next video. Okay, thank you guys.